Too many choices is making you have decision fatigue and you're having mental paralysis. No wonder your brain doesn't function properly. No wonder you don't have a powerful brain. No wonder your brain doesn't work well to achieve your goals in life, to achieve your purpose, and to fulfill your passions. Too many decisions is draining your brain. You don't know that your brain is more like a battery. For you to decide between using this toothpaste and the other toothpaste gives you mental fatigue. Deciding whether to wear this shirt or the other shirt gives you mental fatigue. Deciding whether to reply to this message now or reply it later will give you mental fatigue. Deciding whether to go out today or not go out gives you mental fatigue. Deciding whether to do this thing or the other first gives you mental fatigue. A simple trick that I'll usually use is to ask, if this thing is not 100% important, then I don't need to expend energy on it. If this thing is not 100% essential, then I don't need to waste my time and energy on it. Get things that are only actually important and vital to your survival and your purpose in life. Instead of having hundreds of shirts in your wardrobe, just have four or five simple types of shirts that you can wear to different occasions. For example, 2 for work, 2 for sport, 2 for church, 2 for occasions, 2 for gatherings, and you are done. But when you have tens or hundreds of shirts in your wardrobe, then you have to drain your brain by deciding, should I wear the white shirt? Should I wear the blue one? Should I wear the crop top? Should I wear the singlet? You are trying to decide on what to do when you can easily just pick up one shirt and wear. And it's because you have too many choices. That is where we come down to minimalism and essentialism. Only keep what is essential. Only keep what is needed. Only keep what you need to use today on your table. You can't keep your phone on your table, keep your laptop, keep your books, keep so many things on your table. And then you ask me, why are you not productive? This is because of the mental clutter that this decision making takes. And then it gives you mental fatigue in the long run. Minimalism is only about doing the things that actually means a lot. Doing the things that are actually meaningful. Doing the things that actually matters. Anything out of it, you don't do at all. You have to say, okay, if I pick up my phone in the morning and start scrolling, how does it affect my life positively? Does it help my brain? No. So you don't pick up your phone. You do it with your phone. If I just go out there and have chit chat with my friends, does it really help me mentally? Does it affect my life positively? Well, kind of. Then go out there and have that chit chat with your friends and loved ones. So it's all about doing the things that are essential and actually matters. It's all about having very little decision to take. Some top successful people that they don't even take such decisions, or they don't even make such decisions by themselves. They just say, give me one shirt there that I can wear for a meeting. They don't have to think, should I wear the blue one? Should I wear the white one? Should I wear the red one? Those things actually drain your brain. And when it's time to be productive, when it's time to be effective, when it's time to use your brain has no power because you have drained it by hundreds of decision making in a day. What you should do is a day before, plan the things that you need to do. Write it down in a book in a very precise and concise manner. I'm wearing the blue shirt tomorrow to work. You can write it down. I'm having potatoes and eggs tomorrow morning. You can write it down. I'm working on my business first thing in the morning before going out to the gym. I write it down. I'm going to go to the store to get groceries after the gym. I write it down. So tomorrow I don't need to start deciding, okay, what do I want to do next? Do I want to go to the gym? Do I want to go to the store? Do I want to go to the market? All these things drains your brain and it keeps you mentally drained. And that is why your brain doesn't function properly. That is why you can't make good decisions. That is why you are lacking motivation. That is why you don't have the drive to focus on your purpose, your craft, and your goals, because this energy that is meant for you to work on these important things has been drained by hundreds of decisions that you have to make in a day. So just write all you need to do tomorrow in a book. It doesn't matter. Just write everything. Go to store, go to the gym, go to the market, eat bread and eggs in the morning. Just write it on your list. And writing it on your list will make you have to make less decisions tomorrow morning. So tomorrow, you don't have to decide. You just look at your list and you follow through. In fact, to make it even well detailed, you can write the time. 7 a.m., I'm doing this. 8 a.m., I'm doing this. this, and this. You are writing it, and even up to the clothes you are going to wear, even as detailed as the shoe you are going to wear tomorrow, you can write it. You have control over how you spend your day. So do not be shy to write it on your book. Write it in there and write everything that you need to do tomorrow so that your brain will have less decisions to make. And of course, you'll be able to make better, greater, essential, and more productive decisions that needs to take you from level A to level B. Maybe you don't even need more productivity hacks. You don't even need more motivational quotes. This is just all you need to recalibrate your brain and make your brain function like a primal human being. Make better decisions, fulfill your purpose in life without having to be getting distracted all the time by social media, by entertainment. If you can make less decisions by only sticking to things that you actually need, you will see that you will become distracted less. Your brain will be more focused and energetic, and then you can make better decisions that will make you a productive, a primal, and a purposeful human being on earth. And that is why we are here. If this video resonates with you, then you are meant to be here. Welcome to the tribe.